The creativity and culinary expertise of today's chefs show us that plant-forward dishes can be craveable to even the most dedicated carnivores. Mushrooms play a powerful role, both as a solution for chefs and a path to guest satisfaction. Their meaty texture, savory flavor, nutritional profile, and versatility bring a wide variety of applications to plant-forward menus. Whether it's swapping meat with mushrooms entirely for a plant-based meal, or blending meat with mushrooms to make the dish more sustainable, nutritious, and delicious with their flavor-lifting umami, utilizing mushrooms in plant-forward cooking is a strategy that every chef can master. The Culinary Institute of America is proud to present Mushrooms in the Plant-Forward Kitchen, a video education series developed to inform chefs about the many ways to incorporate mushrooms into global plant-forward cooking. In this series, we'll demonstrate recipes like Korean mushroom bibimbap, Mexican street food-inspired mushrooms al pastor, Japanese mushroom katsu, and spicy Indian mushroom and lamb meatballs. The tuition-free videos and recipes are available on the plantforwardkitchen.org website, thanks to the generous sponsorship and support of the Mushroom Council. This educational program is also part of the Culinary Institute of America's Plant Forward Kitchen Training and Certification Program, an online course that educates chefs about plant-forward, sustainable cooking techniques. So join us as we learn how to utilize mushrooms in the kitchen to successfully enhance and transform our cooking in this online course.